Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by confirming prerequisites and opening the tool, press Windows, type Backup Settings, and hit Enter. Once done, pick your destination. External drives are fastest, network shares work for multiple PCs, cloud adds redundancy. Make sure the destination has enough free space. Windows won't complete a backup with insufficient room. Also check permissions on a network share. You need write access. With those steps finished, proceed to create or configure the backup job in the next stage. You now choose what to back up and when. In File History, enable the folders and libraries you rely on and set the drive or network path. For a full restore, create a system image via Control Panel, right arrow Backup and Restore Windows 7. Include the OS and system reserved partitions. Once selected, set a schedule, daily for frequently changing data, weekly for archives. Make sure to enable retention rules so old backups don't fill the drive. After verifying options, start the first run manually to test. You finish by running and verifying the backup. Click Backup Now and monitor progress. Once the job completes, verify integrity by restoring a small file or mounting the image to confirm the data is readable. If anything fails, start troubleshooting. Check Event Viewer for specific error codes, confirm destination permissions, run chkdsk on drives, and ensure antivirus isn't blocking file operations. Finally, schedule regular tests and keep at least one offline copy to protect against ransom.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.